a group of partners, we all decided to give up our successful executive career and come together to build this firm. It was a modest beginning, born together by a common theme to build the firm of the future, a firm that differentiates from peers, a firm which would be passionate about client service, and it will provide solutions to clients.
If you give this great technical advice with two other qualities, one, you understand the business of the organization, and two, you're creative in your solutions to clients and you're solution driven, that's what makes it as a complete package.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, I'm thankful to you on behalf.
Thank you very much, Arjit, for having me on your show. Brands are created over a period of time. I can merely attribute it to, as we say, right person at the right time. My only dream at that point in time was to play cricket for the nation. And as a result of which I was told that either I should take up a job as an inspector in the income tax department or appear for State Bank of India probationaries test to become an officer. Because in those days, these two were the gateways for playing cricket in Mumbai. And then suddenly this thought came up, why not try your hand at appearing for your CA entrance exams? And that was really it. But I think I had never, and my first walk-in interview with Arthur Andersen landed me with the job, which was not just the first job, also the last job. And just before turning 40, I realized that it's one life, let's do something different.
So, आपके learning experience क्या?
Earlier days were many. I think my first job attribute is my hunger and desire to learn.
How CA qualification helped in managing and maintaining the glory of your professional life?
I owe a major part of what I am today to my CA qualification. And I think CA qualification, in my view, helps you strengthen the fundamentals, not just fundamentals in terms of tax, accounting, financial management or costing, the subjects that were part of an academic curriculum, but it helps you give more attention to details. It helps you analyze things like businesses do. It helps you put the business thinking hat right from your student days. And I think in my view, it gives you a overall perspective in the world of economics and finance. Now, how is IFA different? Well, IFA is not a business chamber. So IFA does not, make any representations or does any advocacy with the government to influence policy. Instead, IFA is called upon by governments. IFA is called upon by multilateral agencies such as the UN or the OECD. IFA is called upon by business chambers of commerce to contribute to the vast area of international tax research.
Which is my favorite question, and I ask it with everyone. According to you, what should a professional do so that he can be a leader or a brand in future?
Gives you the ability to think independently. So I think independence of thinking, in my view, helps you build a brand.
Last question, which is very important for young professionals.
Somewhere the younger professionals have to temper their expectations of money and instead focus on what kind of organization am I working for? What are the values of those organizations? What is my learning? And what is my growth potential? I would say keep up your curiosity levels for earnings. You are a student and you will always remain one. Thank you, Arjit, for your time. And I'm glad that despite all the hiccups. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you properly.
Okay, now it's perfect.
Perfect. चलिए सर, तो मुहूर्त निकल ही गया फिर फाइनली.